Hey everyone, welcome to the Alpha Truth. I'm the Truth Alpha, and today we're talking about positive prayer. Praying is something that people do on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Typically, they're trying to solve one of their own problems or a problem of somebody else. And praying is perfectly fine, and I don't want to offend anybody with this video, especially religious people who tend to be very protective over their religions. What this video is for is to assist and possibly help or improve the way you're praying to get better results. With that, let's get straight into it. Alright, so positive prayer. The esoteric world that surrounds us has all sorts of things going on that science does not investigate. Now, when people pray, they generally pray in this manner. Oh God, I have this problem or that problem, please help me. Now, all prayers are answered. However, with the above sort of prayer, people often find that things only get worse and wonder why. The answer lies in a spiritual law called the law of mutual attraction. Like attracts like. You get back what you put out. Now, you'll be hearing about the law of mutual attraction quite often on this channel, and I'm sure you're well aware of what it is and how it works. Moving on. So under that law, if you say to God that you have a problem, the force that answers your prayer thinks that you are asking for more problems and sends them to you. This is not very helpful though. Now, we are going to go into sort of a difficult area to accept, but time does not actually exist. Only sequence of events exists. So if time does not exist, the answer to any prayer is already there, and we just need to draw it into our reality. So, to get a positive answer to a prayer, we need to say the following. Thank you, God, for solving my problem. There is more, however. If you had a problem and it has gone away, imagine the sense of relief and joy that you would feel knowing that the problem was gone and would never return. Ever. When you say a prayer of thanks to God for solving your problem, you have to imagine that it has already gone and will never return. You need to hang on to that feeling of joy all the time, knowing deep inside that it has gone. This is super important. You have to deeply feel the relief and peace and joy that comes from knowing that your problem is no longer here. Then the law of mutual attraction picks up on those thoughts and sends you what you're asking for, the resolving of the problem. It is as easy or as difficult as that. And this really works. So if you have been praying to God all your life and been asking God to help you or solve one of your problems, then what you should have been doing is thanking God for solving the problem that He has already solved for you, because the answer to any one of your problems already exists. All you have to do is say, God, I have this problem. Thank you for sending me the solution. And then do nothing. Don't wonder how it's going to be solved, when it's going to be solved, nothing. Just have faith and know it will be solved. It probably won't be in the way that you think that it will be, but just carry on with your life being happy every single day. Now, if this is too much for you to believe or accept, let's just say that you don't believe in God. You don't believe in any of this. Even if that were true, which it's not, but for the sake of the people out there who believe that, this is still a better way to live your daily life because it gives you some sort of faith and it actually helps you cope with problems in life. It helps you cope with stress. The main goal in life is to love and help other people. That includes loving and helping yourself. But you have to not get brought down on these earthly type of problems. Just be happy every single day of your life, and when you do have a problem, Just know the answer is already there. And just so you know, guys, most of the problems that you encounter in your life are there on purpose. It's not an accident. You are supposed to have problems. That's why you came here. If you came here and it was just like the place you came from, that's called heaven, you wouldn't learn anything, because we are in a school. This is a school of hard knocks, and we're here on sort of an accelerated course to learn how to love, and to learn how to generate love and give to other people, and give to the world. It's all about giving and receiving, but I'll just let you in on a little secret. If you give, you actually receive more, which it doesn't have to make sense for it to work. You don't need to know how your cell phone works in order to use it, right? So, I don't know if that's a good analogy or not, but you get the point. But I just wanted to keep this short little video, so if you're a person out there who is struggling in life, try praying in a positive prayer and thanking God for already solving your problem. Give it a try. Let me know if you've ever prayed this way in the comments below. And if you want to know about any specific topics, also drop it in the comments. And if I know about it, I will make a video about it. But if I don't know about it, I'll just let you know that I don't know about it, but I would love to hear about it. Alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit a like on this video, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.